Hey, Dave Knight, 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today was Friday, February 24th, 2017. I finished up the day at plus 27 ticks off of 3 trades. I had one trade, a loss, was after I moved up behind it. It only lost 6 ticks. And my 2 wins today, I netted out 33 ticks off the 2. I was thinking the market would move up to pivot quickly once we got in. I was looking at a couple points of resistance. I thought the market would have to get through to make the move up. Those areas were 54.33 today, and then it pivoted at 54.39. We moved down to S1 a little below, and then I was coming in the market. I came in at 53.89 and again at 53.93, if I remember correctly, where I found value coming up. You'll see that on the blog post, on the trading video, on the first video, I believe. So I was able to net out a couple wins on that side and close up shop for this week up 92 ticks overall on 4 trading days in FTP here. So it was day 4 of FTP on the 30K FTP. I'm up 92 ticks, made a new account high today. Yesterday I was close to the new account high. Look at trading days, I had 3 out of 4 that were winning, so I guess you can look at 75% winning day percentage. I don't really pay much attention to the winning trade percentage. I just want to win more than I lose. So as long as I continue that type of environment, like yesterday I talked about 21 versus 35, I believe, is what I talked about from Wednesday. And so if I would have not given up that extra $15, 15 ticks, $150, and I would be up over 1,100 roughly right now. So, well, was that right? 920. Yeah. Well, anyway, it is what it is. $150 higher than where 920 is. So it was at 1,020 plus another 50. Yeah, whatever. It is what it is. I can't count. Don't. Yeah. It's been a long week, even though it's been a short week as far as President's Day in it. It's still I had struggled on George Washington's birthday on Wednesday. That was my lone losing day of the week. So I traded on the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and 24th of this. Let me get rid of that person talking in the background. So I traded those 4 days. Of those 4 days, 3 of 4 were winning days. Next week, we have the 27th and then Fat Tuesday, the 28th. Mardi Gras Day, and obviously that would mean the following day is Ash Wednesday, March 1st. So we're coming in very quickly. We're coming to the end of February. Only 2 more trading days left in the month of February. Those that are in my day trading room, you'll be receiving an email either today or tomorrow with the new access link so that you can sign up. Our next day trading room session is Friday. I mean, excuse me, Tuesday. Today's Friday. Next Tuesday, February 28th, 2017. So it's a couple days from now. And like last time, be new link. We're going to go through the month of March, trading 3 days a week. I don't, I like to have the ability not to have to trade Mondays and Fridays, and give myself the occasional ability to get that 4-day weekend or a 3-day weekend if I so desire. Plus, to top it off, I'm working on my my course. It's in the head. It's getting into the format that I want to put it out. So it'll be a combination of not screencast, but PowerPoint and me talking and showing some charts as well. So kind of if you saw the futures day trading beginners course I put together it was almost a year and a few months ago, it's kind of into that flavor, except taking to account kind of how I trade things now. And like I said before, it coincides with my 50th birthday I haven't made up on my what day of the week that I'm going to do it on, but it'll probably be either Tuesday or Thursday. That's the thinking. Most likely Thursday. I think Thursday is well, no, I mean, yeah, probably Thursday. Seems to be the day that I would feel a little bit more, or Wednesday or Tuesday. So it'll be in there somewhere. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Um, it'll most likely be held inside the day trading room as we move forward, and then I will. No, that's not what I'm doing. I'm I'm making it available, so it's not inside that room. It's outside of that environment. So let me rephrase that. It's going to be held outside of that. So I don't know. Maybe that means that I'll do it Monday or Friday. You know, I don't know what day of the week I'm going to do it on, but I'm planning on putting that together. The first will be the first one, just kind of going over refreshers of things that I cover, how I look at stuff, and then weeks 2, 3, and 4 will be getting in a lot more of the meat of the of what I want to kind of talk about and see what we see and how that translates out into the market as well. All right. Yesterday I talked about a positional trade and the swing trading opportunity. If you didn't get to see that, we'll go back to the blog for the day before. If you're watching the summary video on the 23rd, the CL pitch strategy, I think that particular it's this one more on the blog. Go back, look back, and see that. So if you're more of a swing or positional trader, it's something that I see that makes more sense inside that environment, you know. And we still have we crested 53.35 yet from where that bar was printed? No, I mean we have not. We've got to what do we get down to? 53. 70 something maybe, or whatever we got down, but we did not cross through that mark. We haven't been down and around there, I don't believe, in the last couple of trading sessions. So it was a pretty, if you look at ranges this week, it was very tight. The 4 trading days were very tight, not much. And when you translate it out into my average volatility feature, we're only at 1.19. I like seeing that volatility figure at 1.5 and higher. So we're still nowhere near where I want to see the volatility of the crude oil market, where where it makes money a little bit easier, as far as the length of time in the trade could be shorter, the gains could be higher. Obviously, the other side of that is the losses could be steeper as well. All right. Is there anything else I want to cover today? Not that I can see here that I've got notes related. Let's see what I wrote down on my notes. My wife says, "Why do you slam doors shut?" So that's she wrote in my journal. She says, "Thought for the day. Why do you slam the door shut?" 3 reasons why I slammed the door short. And I wrote down my early morning commentary that I wrote. Early morning RBVs on the charts. RBVs stand for red bar volume on the charts, and no BBVs, no blue bar volumes as of yet. We have went down from the pivot point to S1 inside the trading day so far, overnight session, before the open outcry of the crude oil futures market. So that was kind of my commentary that I wrote to myself early. And then I was thinking, all right, so if we go down to S1, maybe we make a run up to the pivot based upon what the volume was telling me. And then we saw a high volume bar print at, I don't know exactly when it printed. I do. I do know when it printed. It printed at 9:01. 22.44 came in at 9:01. It stopped the upward ascension roughly at that point, and we kind of settled out. I debated about taking on an extra trade and only risking a little bit and still having a $200 win. In the end, I couldn't find a good position. The market just kind of looked like it was petering out. I don't know. I mean, it could go right now. I mean, could it go down to, right now I was looking, could it go to 53.21? Certainly. Could it go up to the highs of today's trading session around 54.50? Certainly. Will it? Who knows? When on a Friday, you can, like I say, you can throw your logic out the window. Gravity doesn't apply on Fridays. Normal trading rules, anything goes. It's like helter skelter day. You just never know what's going to happen, what's coming up. Like that, like a Forrest Gump in the box of chocolates. You just don't know. If you don't like an orange cream and you bite into an orange cream, it kind of sucks, right? Or you don't like coconut and you bite into that chocolate box and you grab that coconut. You don't know it's coconut. Sure looks caramel to me. Boom, right through the nougat. No, that's not nougat. That's coconut. So that's about all. I'm just BSing with you right now. So I guess we'll wrap it up here. We'll wrap the week up. We'll call it a week. 4 days in FTP now, up 92 ticks overall. I need to be by day 10 or greater. You don't have to do it in 10 days, but I would want to be up over that $1,500 level so I can move back, one for the thumb, back into funded. So next week, let's see what the market decides to do. Maybe volatility will come into March, and we will be able to find some good trading opportunities in the merry berry month of March. See you later. God bless. Take care. And as my the friend trucker, Red Viking Trucker says, because I was just thinking about it again. Hey, we all don't get out of here alive. So what are you waiting on? So I'll talk to you later. God bless. Take care. Have a great weekend. And I will see you next week. Bye for now.